Ever been in the middle of printing something crucial, only for your printer to decide it's time for a paper jam party? It's infuriating, right? Well, what if a tiny, often overlooked component could be the secret weapon against those frustrating moments? We're talking about the 60X 8,327,538 feed pickup roller tire, and it claims to bring your printer back from the brink of paper feeding chaos. This isn't just any rubber band. It's specifically designed to replace those worn-out feed pickup roller tires that cause all sorts of paper handling headaches. If your printer has been struggling with misfeeds or just refusing to grab paper properly, chances are this little guy is the culprit. And the compatibility list is pretty impressive, covering a wide range of models like the i1840, i4000, i4200, all the way up to the i5850 and i750 printers. So if you own one of these workhorses, pay attention. Made from a durable rubber material, it promises consistent paper handling and reliable performance. You want something that lasts, not something you have to replace every other month, and this seems to fit the bill for long-term use. One of the best parts: it's designed for easy installation. No special tools required, which is a huge relief. Nobody wants to spend hours wrestling with their printer just to replace a small part. This means you can get your printer back up and running quickly, saving you time and effort. The real magic happens when it's installed. It maintains smooth paper feeding, drastically reducing those dreaded paper jams and misfeeds. Think about it. Steady traction for accurate paper pickup means your printer isn't just working, it's working efficiently. No more wasted paper, no more reprinting documents. It's truly a cost-effective solution. Instead of shelling out hundreds for a brand new printer when yours is otherwise perfectly fine, a simple replacement of this roller tire can extend its life significantly. It's amazing how such a small component can have such a profound impact on overall printer efficiency. It feels good to fix something rather than just replace it entirely. So, if your printer has been acting up with paper feeding issues, the 60X 8,327,538 feed pickup roller tire is an incredibly smart and practical upgrade that delivers on its promise of smooth, reliable printing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.